Good morning everyone. Welcome to Fledge Institute of Aviation Hospitality. So today we are going to enclose on the topic of how aviation sector goes on. So are you guys excited?
Yes.
Fantastic. Let's talk about the essential aspect in the industry. So when it comes to the essential aspect, first comes the grooming. So when you groom well, you get the confidence within. When your grooming is starting, then how you groom well. Okay, and how you serve the passenger. So when no matter what it is, when you're serving some person or some passenger on board, when you look presentable and they also get in confidence, you smile, you greet, you meet at them, you need to talk at them. And in this industry, grooming is very essential, just because no matter where you're going, no matter how you're traveling, how far is the sector, but still you need to be groomed well. That smile should be within, the boost up should be within. So the grooming is an important aspect in this industry. So today we are going to talk about customer service. When it comes to customer service, we knew about check-in, boarding and baggage handling.
Ma'am?
Yes?
One question.
Yes, please tell me.
What about baggage and how do we handle that?
Great question. Handling baggage is an important responsibility in the industry. Handling baggage first needs to be, you need to tag in the baggage, you need to check the baggage, and that goes into the screening area. After which, this is to ensure the safety and security of the aircraft, the passengers traveling on board, the crew traveling on board. You got it?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Great. So let's move forward for the next question.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what's UNMR?
Excellent question. UNMR stands for unaccompanied minor. Unaccompanied minor means a young passenger who's traveling on board in the age of 5 to 12. So we need to ensure the safety and security of that young passenger. Young passenger means the children who's traveling, the kids. So parents who are unable to travel with the kids, so that is how they book the ticket in the name of UNMR. Okay, we as an aviation professionals, we need to take care of their service and their security and their safety during the flight journey. Got it? You understood?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Guys, as we were talking about customer service, so we were running a quick Q&A section. So is there any questions still we need to interact on that?
Ma'am, I have a question. What about seat baggage?
Great. Seat baggage is a baggage where a person or a passenger carries with him onward throughout his journey. He doesn't check in that baggage, he takes it in his hand. He places it under the seat, nor the above the bin. Okay? This seat baggage should be in the weight of 7 kgs. Okay? When a passenger is carrying his personal belongings, it can be a charger, nor his laptop or his personal belongings, so it has to be only kept with him himself. So this shouldn't exit more than 7 kgs.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Thank you.
Okay guys, see you all tomorrow. So tomorrow we are going to discuss on the topic called cabin crew. Let's make it even more interesting and enhancing. Okay? So I will see you all tomorrow then. Bye. Take care.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are experiencing some turbulence. Ladies and gentlemen, we are experiencing some turbulence.
Excuse me! Excuse me! Please help me! Please help me! Excuse me! Please help me! Excuse me!
Ma'am, please be seated, ma'am. Ma'am, please be seated and fasten your seatbelt. Don't panic, ma'am.
Why is this happening?
Ma'am,
Tell
this
me,
is just
I'm
a normal turbulence as the aircraft is going through some clouds. Please don't panic, ma'am. Please be seated.
No, I'm scared. I want to use lavatory.
Ma'am,
Please,
we are
I'm
very
scared.
sorry, ma'am. You cannot use the lavatories right now. Ma'am, please be seated.
I
Don't
want
panic,
to.
ma'am.
I need to go. I'm scared. I need to
Ma'am,
go.
we are
lavatory.
very sorry. The use of lavatories as per now is prohibited as we are facing some turbulence and it is very normal to face this turbulence. Please don't panic, ma'am. Please be seated.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your cooperation. Thank you. Don't panic.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I believe you pressed the call button. How may I help you?
Can you give us some soft drinks?
Yes, ma'am, sure. Enjoy the drink.
Thank you. Hey, is it good?
Yeah, it is good. Oh my god.
Hey, what happened? What is happening with you? Oh my god, there is fire! Someone please help me! Someone please help me! Someone please help me! Please help me, someone! Please help me! He is unconscious. Look at him, he is unconscious. Please help me!
Okay, no need to
Please
worry.
help
No
me.
need to
He's a heart patient. Please help me.
Okay.
Please help me. Please help me. What happened to me? Look at me. What happened to you? Please.
Just hold him, ma'am.
He's a heart patient. He needs
Yeah,
some
not to
medical
worry.
attention. Please do
Just
something.
hold him.
Do something.
Yeah, ma'am, nothing to worry. I'll take him.
Hey, what happened to you? Please wake up. Do something. What are you
Ma'am, don't be
doing?
panic.
He needs some medical attention. Do
Ma'am,
something.
don't be panic. Nothing will happen.
He's a
I'm doing
heart
my
patient.
CPR.
Do something. Do something, please.
What happened?
He needs some medical attention. He's a heart patient. Do something.
Ma'am,
Wake
don't
up.
Be panic.
Wake
Ma'am,
up. What
nothing
are
will
you
happen.
doing?
Don't be
What
panic.
are you doing? Wake up. What happened to
Ma'am,
you?
nothing to worry.
Wake up. What happened to you? Do something. Please wake up. Look at me. What happened to you? Wake up. Do something fast. He is not waking up.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Come.
What happened to
Nothing
you?
happened,
Are you
sir.
okay?
Are you okay, sir?
Are you okay?
Do you need some water? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Are you okay?
Okay, sir. We'll give you some water.
Mayday, this is Kaushi from R2. There was an emergency inside the cabin. A passenger got cardiac arrest and is being given CPR and now he is alright. The starboard engine got fire. Please inform the captain regarding this. Thank you. Hello sir, hope you're doing good. Are you alright?
Yes.
The captain has been informed about the situation and we will do an emergency landing immediately. So relax, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
So that's it, guys. Lights on. The intention of giving this role play is to make you all understand that these are the situations that come up when you are actually on board. Okay, and this is how you provide services. No matter it is a fire extinguisher or a CPR or an emergency or medical emergency, this is how you will give a situation, and this is how you will take care of the passengers. Okay, so hope you all understood the section.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So sounds good. We can live for the day.
Yes, ma'am.
All good to go.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.